Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. So the Solana chart continues to unfold, you could say, as planned at the moment. I still find the structure super fragile, but we take it level by level. And if you watched the last video that I made yesterday, then you knew that there was at least high likelihood, a good chance that we could at least test this upper support area between $197.97 and $201.64. That happened, and we're now in that support area. The price is trying to turn around. There is a small reaction, but it's only a weak reaction so far. So the question is, what if we break below upper micro support? My view is it wouldn't be a major problem. We would probably just fall back into this support area, which already, was defined yesterday as well. In this case, support is between $180.47 and $192.73 for a broader B wave. I mean, the idea is that in the white scenario, we might already have bottomed, right, in this white B wave. And we're moving up in a C wave to the upside to complete a larger A wave up there. So it's quite a messy structure because we're not dealing with any impulses, but I try to keep it as simple as possible without leaving out any important details. So the idea is wave 2 low formed, a higher low, a corrective pullback formed on the 17th of October. We had a 5 wave move up that allowed us to consider higher prices. But after 5 waves up, we typically get a 3 wave correction, happened. And then we saw a 5 wave move up that indicated the market wants to go higher. 3 waves down, indicated the market wants to go higher. 5 waves up, 3 waves down, indicated the market wants to go higher. Again, same thing, pullback, we're holding support. So we can still continue to focus on higher prices in this structure. But that would likely complete then an ABC structure. And in the larger context, that would be an A wave of a larger degree third wave. So that means, in other words, it's just the first element of a third wave, which is often the most aggressive part of a rally. So if we can complete this C wave, I would watch for a B wave pullback. Now, of course, because we're not dealing with nice impulsive structures overall here, we're just dealing with ABC structures, we need to be ready for potentially changing wave structures. At least the microstructures could change. So the white scenario is the directly, very aggressively bullish scenario. Whereas if we start to break below upper support levels, we cannot really consider this anymore as primary scenario. And then the orange scenario will come into focus. In this scenario, it's basically the same count, just the microstructures are a little bit different. Due to the length of this move up from the 22nd of October low, it's entirely possible this A wave already completed. Not preferred at this point, but possible. And then we have to allow for a deeper pullback. It just means that if upper support breaks, if we get a decisive break below $197.97, then the focus can shift to this lower support area between $180.47 and $192.73. This would be our lower support area, which would then come into focus. It allows for a deeper pullback, possibly also in an A, B, C structure. But yeah, as I said, as long as we are holding the upper support area, I would favor more direct upside. Just it aligns better with the overall proportions and with what we normally see. But I also have to say, we have not broken above any critical resistances. Solana so far has only broken above initial micro resistance. So the next resistances are here in the area around $211 and $218. This, trend line shifts all the time. It is our trend line that we're also watching on the larger time frame. But this would be the next resistance area to be aware of. So that means that should give you the relevant micro support levels, then the lower support area, and also the next resistance levels, plus my preferred interpretation. And I will update you if there is any change, of course. But I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to also check out our X channel for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.